There she goes. You behave yourself, Frances. I'll be right back. There she goes. Ay, ay, ay. You behave yourself. Motorcycle. Bye, I'll be right back. I've got to go take care of the kitty cat. You behave yourself. I did a farm video tour a while ago, but it was just too big to upload, so I tried to do a shorter one here. There's the land there. Walking from my house down the lane towards the main driveway in the main house. Trying to go quicker, make it shorter this time so I can upload it for you. This is the farm down here. It's just trees and stuff. Oh, I can't see. The cars have been gone all weekend. They must have left to go somewhere. The house, well, Roger's gone, and I'm pet sitting for them. Roger and Esther. But the main family, Evelyn, they seem to be gone as well. Hope everything's okay. That's all the farm is. There's a road down there. That road, that's the end of the farm. Those are neighbors over there. Just goes, it's not big. It's pretty small. Don't know how many acres in total. They don't really grow a ton, just some fruit and some sugar cane. There's the city. The sun's coming up. Very pretty. Sitting on there. So this gate is there still. This is their land here. I think there's been some cars down there. I think they're going to rent that eventually. This road, there's a house down there. Hello, Ordejas. Good morning. There's the doggies. Roger lives there. Tyler lives there. There's a guy, Michael, below him, and I think there's one more. That's it.